1935 Queensland state election. Elections were held in the Australian state of Queensland on 11 May 1935 to elect the 62 members of the state's Legislative Assembly. The Labor government of Premier William Forgan Smith was seeking a second term after having defeated the Country and Progressive National Party in the 1932 election. Labor received a significant swing and gained 13 seats. The election took place on new boundaries for the second election in a row. Key dates. Results. The election saw a swing to Labor from the 1932 election. 575,288 electors were enrolled to vote at the election, but 8 seats, 12.9% of the total, were uncontested. 6 Labor seats, 2 less than in 1932, representing 49,621 enrolled voters, and 2 CPNP seats representing 17,907 enrolled voters. Seats changing party representation. This table lists changes in party representation at the 1935 election. Members in italics did not recontest their seats. The CPNP sitting member for Cook, James Kenny, instead contested the seat of Sandgate and lost. The CPNP sitting member for Kennedy, Arthur Fadden, instead contested the seat of Marani and lost. The CPNP sitting member for the abolished district of Murilla, Godfrey Morgan, contested the seat of Dalby and won.